Well, welcome back to the Figure Kit Garage, fellow resin heads and kit builders. Brent Krug with another out of the box review. On the table in front of you guys and gals is the latest release from Paul Gill at Gillman Productions in his series of kits based on the 1987 film Predator. This kit is called the Bro Shake, Dutch and Dylan, in 1/4 scale, 2 pieces, sculpted by Mark Van Tine. And this is obviously very well known to a lot of people out there. This particular scene out of the film has become a very well known meme over the years. And it's, of course, Dylan and Dutch having their power display air arm wrestling match after seeing each other after quite a few years. And Mark has done a fantastic job of capturing that exact moment in the film. And I got to admit, it's one of the more unique pieces I think that's been done in quite a while. To say the least, it's an interesting topic of conversation. And I got to hand it to Paul. It was a really cool idea. So starting off with the base. Now, the base originally was going to be 3D printed. And because of the sharpness of the lettering in the front of the base, originally it started ripping up the mold rubber. So the idea was abandoned, and Mark Van Tine sculpted a new base, and he did an absolutely amazing job. And yeah, you see the words right. That's Dutch's greeting to Dylan, "You son of a bitch." And then, of course, the infamous Bro Shake match ensues. But Mark did an absolutely stellar job of capturing stone detail, vines and leaves running all over the place, the creature's bio helmet right on the front, and the wood grain detail in the posts and in all the boards. Mark's sculpting is just absolutely perfect. Plenty of washes, dry brushing, weathering to be had. All the little plants he sculpted in along the rocks. The detail on the ropes, wrapped around the posts. Very, very nicely captured. And I was really quite surprised when I saw the bottom. Little artwork by Mark Van Tine of the title creature from the film, Invisible, with a slight jungle foreground or background, however you want to look at it. Pretty cool, and I got to thank Mark for doing that on the bottom. That's pretty cool. And here we have, of course, the Bro Shake. Bulging biceps, pop veins and all. Mark's capture of the anatomy of both Dutch and Dylan at this very moment is spot on to the film. Capturing Dylan's shirt with the knit cuff at the end of the sleeve. The detail in the hands. Absolutely amazing. There we go. Back into focus. And you can obviously see the size disparity between Dylan and Dutch. Capturing Arnold's physique as he did. Mark sculpting is some of the best out there, and you can't argue that point at all. A really unique combination, paintwork-wise, to do Caucasian and African-American skin tone together, especially in the hands. That's going to be a lot of fun to do. I look forward to it. This kit itself was $75 with $17 shipping. So $92 overall for a kit like this is really not that bad. Quite affordable for all the detail. The casting alone, and I should have pointed this out, there are no seam lines anywhere to be found on Dutch or Dylan's arms. Hands anywhere. The cleanup on this by Paul is absolutely fantastic. So, you know, aces to Paul once again. Customer service wise, the contact, you know, the cleanup after the casting itself, Paul has demonstrated once again why he is one of the best producers out there. And overall, this kit width-wise is 9 inches, front to back 4 inches, and height just a hair under 6.5. So, again, not a shelf queen in any way, shape, or form. Perfectly priced, perfectly sized. All in all, you can't go wrong with this. I will leave contact info for Paul. I know he has been shipping these out a lot lately, and it's worth it if you have a chance to pick one up. If you like this movie, along with the Dutch, contact Paul, see what he has available, see when he can get one out to you. It's worth it in the long run. So, many thanks to Mark Van Tine and Paul Gill. As well, I want to thank everybody that subscribed as of recent. We're at 582 and climbing. Let's keep it going. We're still a ways off from 1,000, but it's achievable. I believe in it. I believe in everybody that's subscribed. Also, if you guys get the chance, hop on over to Just Paint It with Jerry Frey's YouTube channel. He's done a lot of good things recently. Just finished a paint up of the bust of Harry Dean Stanton from the film Alien. Did a tremendous job on that. Model Club TV, Scott Johansson, Jason Walker. Scott's back again. So we'll see how long his return lasts this time. And hopefully Brian will be back once again. We'll have to wait and see. But check their channel out. Give them a like and a subscribe. Definitely worth it. As well, Monster Model Review. One of the longest running review channels on YouTube. Nothing, I don't think I could say anything more about that hasn't already been said. You know, it just... He was the focal point of where all the review channels started, having been around for as long as he has. So go check out Monster Model Review. It's worth your time and effort. A lot of good stuff on that channel. So for this review of Broshake, Dylan and Dutch, this has been the Figure Kit Garage. Everybody stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Build a kit.